Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm The Real Keshia, in case you guys are new here. And today, I'm going to be filming a Fashion Nova try-on haul. I was been meaning to get to this video. It's been like 2 months since I bought these clothes. I bought them on a trip for Los Angeles that I went on at the ending of July. And I promised myself that I would film a video for you guys. I just have not gotten around to it. I'm so sorry. I've been so busy since I got back, but I'm here. I'm ready to film, and I got my little puppy that I'm gonna show you guys. Him, Blue. Hi, puppy. Okay, as you can see, he's super hyper. This is Blue. Hi, Blue. This is my puppy. So Blue, oh, he's not happy. Biting. I'm gonna do a separate video introducing my little multi-poo puppy, so stay tuned for that video. But you guys are gonna see him in my videos because he's just so loving and adorable, and I love him so much, and he loves his mommy. But here he is. Hey, goodbye, Blue. Bye bye, puppy. So Fashion Nova try-on haul. Let's get back into it. I hope you guys love this video because it's been a minute since I did videos. Yeah, so this is the first outfit that I got. It is a two-piece windbreaker type of short set. I love it. It's long sleeves. You can push your sleeves up. Super cool. Zip down. Material, I'd have to say the material is A1. To me, it feels like a high-end sports brand, whether it be Adidas, Nike, whatever. It feels like that. Fashion Nova comes with the quality, I find. Wash, wash, wash. It never gets ruined, in my opinion. So yeah, so this is a size small. I usually take size small in every single thing that I buy from Fashion Nova. It never seems to be too big, too small, except for like one occasion. And I have a dress that I recently bought, and I'll show you guys that the small did not fit at all. But yeah, small in general usually fits me. So if you're kind of like my size, you know, get yourself some smalls. It's so cute. I've seen a lot of people wear this. I've worn it with running shoes. I did Nike. Oh, I did Nike Air Forces with this. Yeah, comfortable. Not much to say about it. It fits super well. We're really happy with it. This is the second outfit. It's this lime green two-piece. Same type of material, windbreaker type style. I love this. It's got pockets here, so you can put like lip gloss, money, credit card, cell phone, whatever pleases you. And it's so cute. I love it. It's kind of like off the shoulder with these ruffled sleeves that you can pull up if it's too hot. Off the shoulder. Very cute. I wore this actually to the beach. I took some pictures on my Instagram with it. You can see it on my page, so go look it up. The Real Keshia. I mean, the Keshia Miller. But yeah, this is one of my favorite pieces that I got in the haul. I love it. It's flashy. It's lime. It's for the season. What puppy? It's for the season. I love it. I mean, it's my favorite one, honestly. I felt really different, really cool by the beach. It was in Santa Monica wearing this, so really vibed it out. Yeah, I'd totally wear it again. Maybe like when I go to Florida I'll wear this, but I don't know. I love this outfit. Comfortable, fits size small again. It's got a zipper going right up the middle. It's basically just really cute. Sportswear made trendy, you know, so cute. Let me know what you guys think. So this is the third Fashion Nova set. It is a snakeskin one-piece romper, high neck, very cute, chic. I love it. It fits me so well. Fits my body really nice. It's a size small. like always. I really like the material. I really like how that it's stretchy, comfortable, light. The snakeskin print is very cute, naturally nude. I love it. Fits me so well. Sleeveless. It's got a zip right up here to the patch. Let's go close up. Super nice. Right, puppy? Oh, my blue baby says it's nice. He loves it. We love it. Hey puppies. Let me know what you guys think. I love this. It's a 10 for me. Can't even I can't argue. It's a 10. But yeah. This is the fourth look. It's a summer dress. Snakeskin, of course. It's got this tie wrap thing, which I don't really know too much what to do with it, but cool as hell. Mini dress. I love this. Super comfortable. The quality is amazing. The stretch is amazing. The small fits me super nice, like a glove, like it was meant for me. Can't complain. Fashion Nova, you did it again. So I wore this dress to, where did I wear this? I forget where I wore this. Oh, I wore this to a club in LA called Ballet, and Wale was there that night, and I just wore this with some Air Force Ones because I wasn't trying to be all cutesy bootsy up in the clubs in LA. But I like this. I think it's like cute. It's different, you know? And it makes your body look snatched. So if you guys like this one, let me know. Comment section down below what you think on a scale of 0 to 10. This is the 5th look that I purchased in my haul, and it's this olivey, well it is olive. It's an olive green bandage dress, and I literally just wore this past weekend to a wedding that I attended, and I loved it. It was so comfortable. It fits me like a glove. So nice. It keeps me cinched. I recommend this dress. It was not expensive from what I remember, and it fits so nice. Ladies, you don't have to worry about feeling like a whole ass in this because this dress is super classy. I have not even zipped it up all the way, and you can see it's like really tight. I've zipped it up a little bit, and yeah, so it's a little bit loosey up here, but you guys get it. It fits me nice. It's a size small. Like I told you, small fits me in everything. Like Fashion Nova knows their size. They're really bomb like that. So let me know what you think. Comment section down below. 0 to 10. I think this is for me a 10. Like I'm gonna go all out with this one. It's a 10. Let me know what you guys think though. So this is another look. So this was the dress that I purchased. It's a size small. It's kind of like silky material. So this is my least favorite dress. I don't think I'll be wearing this dress because it's very loose. I feel very insecure wearing this. Like I'm gonna be popping out at any time. But it's like this in the back. It's just my least favorite dress. I'm not even gonna talk about this too much. I'll probably do a giveaway of this dress because I'm not wearing it. So if you guys are interested in wanting this dress, let me know in the comment section and I'll do a little giveaway. So here's the bikini that I got. 2-piece. I think it comes as a set like this. Just gonna show you the back. This is what it looks like, and the front, it's lime green. I love the fit. It's a size small. Super cute. Unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to wear it on my trip, but I will be wearing it on my winter trip for sure. Yeah, I like the bikinis. Let me know what you guys think of this cut. So this is another outfit that I got, and my puppy loves the shoes because obviously they're cord and he loves to bite them. The shoes, the shorts, and the tank top. I wore this outfit all together. Actually wore it to Tao, Los Angeles. It was a nice little dinner evening. We had drinks and whatnot, and I wore this. cute. The shoes are to die for and super comfortable. I'll show you them up close in a sec. But the jeans are really nice. They're stretchy. They fit me super well on the butt. Super nice. So cute. And this little crop top, cute as well. And these are the shoes that I purchased. They're like pink, lime green, and orange. Super comfortable. I purchased a size 8 and it's my size. No, I wore these for a long period of time. Never hurt my feet. And I never usually have shoes from cheap sites that don't hurt my feet. So I'm really, really happy with these. Super nice. It's different. I feel like it's something Rihanna would wear. But they're cute as fuck. But yeah, this is another dress that I got on Fashion Nova. Let's get up close so you can actually see the detail. So it's a cute little dress. Pink, it's nice. It's got these buttons going right down the center. For me personally, I think it's more of a casual dress. I wore this with flat sandals. I really liked it. I didn't have any problems wearing it. I was super comfortable in this. It was like cute little daytime going into like, you know, evening. Again, size small. It's double lined, so it's not thin or see-through at all. To be honest, I really like wearing this dress. I thought it was so cute. My puppy loves it too. Right? Do you love my dress? He loves it because he's biting on it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. That is it for my Fashion Nova haul, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and the outfits that I chose and that I bought. Please let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to film more videos like this, if you guys like this video, or what other videos you guys like to film. So please subscribe to the channel right now. Go click the button. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on so that you'll be notified every single time the real Keshia posts a video. You know, you're already here watching, so subscribe. Join the fam. See you in the next video.